Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna review all the shades of this NYX powder puff Lippie. They feel very comfortable, so I have bought 8 shades of them and I have tried all the 8 shades in this video. If you want to know the review of the product, how the color looks on me and how is the product, then keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So first let's talk about the products and then we are going to move into the swatches. So these are called NYX powder puff Lippie. They feel very comfortable. They are very creamy and they are not sticky. They have very even finish. They have 4 lighter shades and 4 darker shades, and the lighter shades they apply evenly. They are not patchy. They feel very comfortable. If you have dry lips, this is a good lipstick. And yeah, it smells also so good. Everything is good about this product. There is little bit of difficulty to apply this product in the corners of your lips. Maybe you can use some brush or anything, but the product quality is very good. So each of this product contains 12 ml of the product and the price of the product is 650 rupees. So quite affordable, quite good product. So I have got all the 8 shades and I'm going to show you how it looks on my skin, so that if you are in my skin tone, then you guys can refer to it. They are really good products. Now let's move into the swatches of the products. So generally I go from the lighter shades to the darker shades. So this is the shade Squat Goals. This is a very beautiful nude. Next shade I'm going to try is Best Birds. So it is very beautiful, slight purpley nude. It has a little bit of slight purple in it. This is the shade Puppy Love. It's a very beautiful peach color. Next shade is called Cool Intentions. It looks to be a very cool tone color. This is a very beautiful cool tone color. It is quite similar to my lips. The next shade is this Teenage Dream. It is a very beautiful pink shade. So it's a very beautiful purpley pink, or you can say magenta. The next shade is Moody. This is a very beautiful cool tone purple. The next shade is called Pop Quiz. Okay, it is a reddish brown, or you can say terracotta or maroon color. It is a very beautiful color, and I have not used too much of the product. It is so much pigmented. The last shade I want to try is a very beautiful red. It is Group Love. So the earlier shade was quite pigmented and it was a little bit tough for me to clean. It is a very beautiful vibrant red. So let me talk about the review of the products. All these lip products, they are quite good, and the nudes, the lighter shades that I'm having, they goes good on my skin tone also. So they have 8 shades and they feel very comfortable. They does not make your lip dry and not at all sticky. Smell is very good. Only the applicator is little bit tough to work with in for the corners of your lips. Otherwise everything is very good for this product. So I really love this product. So if you ask me what to buy for Durga Puja or Navratri, go for this. They are very good quality, and also you have a lot of shades in this. Not too much matte and not too much creamy. Very good quality. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want this kind of more videos, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.